Subscribe to Get Curried and click on the bell icon for recipe notifications. Jon Favreau's Chef is a movie that has inspired chefs and home cooks across the globe. The idea of the film was to cook simple food which is close to your heart, which is uncomplicated yet classic. Hey guys, this is Varun Inamdar and welcome to a fresh and new episode of Khana Peena Aur Cinema. The recipe that I'm showing you is the one that Jon made for his son in the film, which is a cheese toast. There are three basic ingredients in this recipe. The first one, of course, is a good quality bread. What I have taken is a nice thick slice of bread which becomes integral to the taste and flavor of this sandwich. We keep the bread aside for just a few seconds, and in the interim, we heat a pan and apply some butter. And we need to place this bread slice like this. It needs to become nice and crisp on the bottom, and then we turn it over and then we apply some cheese. The first and the most important part is to place a slice of bread and toast it on one side. While the next step is to place a few slices of cheese, and this one, trust me, is your personal choice. In this case, we're going to use yellow cheddar and some Emmental. Well, this one is your own and personal choice because the taste and flavor of the sandwich is actually the taste and flavor of the cheese. So 3 slices of yellow cheddar, and with this some Swiss cheese. We'll just place this aside for a few seconds and toast another slice of bread. We need to apply some butter and toast this, pressing it lightly. A slice of bread has got a nice and golden brown color. Now this goes straight onto the sliced cheese. We need to apply some more butter. And this time, place this butter side down. We need to press this lightly and ensure that it becomes nice and golden brown on the bottom as well. Well, like I said earlier, some things are best kept simple. If you watch this movie carefully, this is the one that he makes for his son. And for your son, for your children, try to keep things simple. Let's transfer this on a cutting board. And time to cut this as per the shape and size of your choice. Similarly, let's make some more sandwiches. With this, our cheese toast from the movie Chef, of course, is done and ready. And like I said again, and I'm saying it again, keep it simple. Stay tuned and continue watching Khana Peena Aur Cinema.